Hey Shopify merchants! It's Tapita SEO tutorial bulk edit via CSV. First step, extract your content errors. You have two ways to extract errors. First option, extract via SEO Audit. Open the SEO Audit tab. You can click Rescan to fetch your latest SEO errors. The Excel file will present you with error classification as on the app's interface. Once you get the newest report of your SEO errors, click Export to get the Excel file. Later you will work editing your content errors based on page type. So make sure you recategorize these errors into right page types: products, collections, blog posts, landing pages. Second option, you go to Content Optimization. The SEO score and colors indicate whether a page's content is SEO optimized. So you should choose pages with red and yellow SEO score color to bulk edit. Also remember that you can only bulk edit pages within the same type: products, collections, blog posts, landing pages. I will choose collection pages for example. Then I will download the sample CSV file. I will choose my page type as collection. Click Download Sample CSV. Now I'm going to prepare my CSV file. The handle is the only required field as page identifier, so I'm going to paste all page handles here. Back to Content Optimization, click on the page you want to bulk edit. Copy the URL handle. We do similarly to other collection pages. Now I will fill in all page handles. To save time, you can prepare your content in advance like what I'm doing. Paste your content to the right columns. If you want to add focus keywords, make sure all of your content include all of the focus keywords. If not, this will count as an SEO error, content missing focus keywords. You can leave focus keywords blank as my third collection page. Once the CSV file is ready, we will upload it for bulk SEO improvement. Open the bulk edit via CSV. Make sure you choose the right page type. Mine is collection. Click Add File. The app will scan all of your filled content given the page URL handles. Next, click Start Updating. You will see a status bar indicating the status of your bulk content update. If your file includes other page type handle, for example, product, the app will ignore that page, and there will be no improvement to the content of that wrong type page. Back to Content Optimization. You can see the 4 updated collection pages now have perfect SEO score. And that's it for Tapita SEO tutorial today. Thanks for watching.